In 2025, the role of the vice president could hold unprecedented power. Under Project 2025, conservative strategist Russ Vought envisions a vice presidential office that wields the vast, often untapped statutory powers of the Office of Management and Budget, OMB, reshaping America's government from the top down. Vought, former director of the OMB under President Trump, emphasizes the existential need for aggressive executive power. His plan? To leverage the budgetary and regulatory levers of the OMB to bring every corner of government into alignment with conservative values. Vaught's vision involves placing loyal program associate directors, PADs, at the helm of these powerful RMOs, which control funding across key government sectors. By personally managing budget allotments, these PADs would have the power to influence national policy on a massive scale. To further solidify conservative control, Vought proposes creating a new layer of deputy PADs. These would be loyal to the administration's agenda, replacing career professionals who might challenge the new direction. Vought calls for a bold, creative White House counsel prepared to battle other government departments over legal interpretations. He anticipates clashes over the legality of aggressive executive actions and wants legal minds who can navigate this territory. At the National Security Council, Vought envisions a new structure where the NSC operates under the direct authority of the White House, unaccountable to other government offices. He also proposes staffing the NSC with conservatives ready to challenge opposing views from within the government. Vaught's agenda goes beyond restructuring the OMB. He also targets climate change policies, calling for an executive order to reshape the U.S. Global Change Research Program. He promises to unwind what he calls the Biden administration's climate fanaticism, aiming to erase progress on environmental protection. And in a stark move, Vought wants to eliminate the Gender Policy Council entirely, halting all federal support for gender identity and LGBTQ+ rights. He calls for the end of discussions on gender-affirming care, reproductive health, and abortion access. Project 2025's vision for the vice presidential office includes a new special assistant to the president dedicated to promoting domestic policy aligned with conservative values. This role would collaborate with the Domestic Policy Council to enforce policies focused on life and family as defined by conservative principles. Project 2025 seeks to reconfigure the balance of power, reshaping key institutions to align with the conservative agenda. But will this drive to control the budget, dismantle climate and gender policies, and reshape federal governance bring about the return to traditional values they promise? Or is it a path to a new form of autocracy? Subscribe to stay informed on Project 2025 and its impact on America's future. Like, comment, and let us know your thoughts on this transformative plan.